In today's video, we're going to review the three main menus that you have at your disposal with the Enable Viewer. The first menu is the one that you see at the top of your screen. This is known as the Action or Event menu because anytime you want to do something with your viewer or the LiDAR scan, this is where you're going to go. For instance, if you would like to take a measurement or check a distance or elevation, you're going to go to the measurement icon, select that, and then from the drop-down menu, left-click on whatever action it is that you want to perform. Once you've performed an action in the scan, that'll be recorded. Where you see that is a menu on the left-hand side. If you don't see a menu on the left-hand side, it's probably hidden behind a concealed tab, as you see here, which we're going to left-click on to expand. And now you can see the menu where, as I said, all events and actions are recorded. At present, we haven't done anything with this particular scan, so you don't see any members or measurements, but if we had taken some, they would populate here. The final menu that we have is the Tool Settings menu, which is on the right-hand side, and again, potentially concealed behind a tab. Here is where you're going to have any settings that deal with a particular tool, such as multiple scans. As you can see, we have two scans, one labeled scan, one labeled GPR. You can toggle those visibilities here. If you have a SketchUp model or some sort of other 3D model in your viewer, you can load, unload, and toggle visibility here. And anything to do with elevation clip boxes and things like that will populate in the tool settings. We'll talk more about that in the individual videos for those particular tools. But if you don't know where to look and you're trying to change a setting, this is probably where it's going to be located. So again, what we've gone over here is just the three primary menus that you have. One's at the top for your actions, one's on the left-hand side for your recording, and one's on the right-hand side for your settings.